So I'm in a little coastal town near Port Alfred in South Africa called Kenton-on-Sea, and I'm at a friend of mine's restaurant. It is a stunning restaurant, and his food is excellent. It's like Asian fusion. So come let's have a look inside. Sorry, I apologize, I am extremely ill. I'm going to be more slow than usual, so bear with me. We'll get through the day, and it should be entertaining still. So it's day 4, my 50th birthday celebrations in South Africa, and it's my 4th party. So great to finish off at such a stunning venue. Just hope I can taste all the wonderful flavors today. And we'll meet the owner and see some cooking, some Chinese cooking. Yeah, Podge, awesome to see you and this lovely place again. I really love it here every time, and it's a must visit. It's an absolute must visit if ever you're in Eastern Cape. Kenton-on-Sea is a fantastically beautiful town, and this restaurant just tops it all perfectly. So, Podge, how long have you been going?
So yeah, we've been in the region of about four and a half years now. Started off as a small takeaway joint with my partner in the business. I was brought in about a week or two after the initial inception, just as a hands-on food chef and from a knowledge side of things, and we've grown it from a little takeaways to a beautiful Kenton Asian, you know. So, and it's the only offering of Asian in the area. Unfortunately, there are no others. You can always judge your performance by competition. We like to say that we stand alone here, but some competition would be good one day, just to put us see how we do compare. But it is it's a passion of mine, Asian food and Asian food, and it's a lovely alternative to your normal hamburgers and ribs and chips and things like that. Yeah.
And you trained on the ships?
No, well, believe it or not, I think I'm one of the very few people that actually gained anything out of my military experience, and that was I was a chef in the army. Okay. For officers' mess and visiting dignitaries. So yeah, I really did get a cordon bleu training there, believe it or not, in the army, and it went from one strength to the next, you know. So it has stayed by me, and my qualification is QBE, qualified by experience. But if you've got a passion for food, it comes naturally, and you make sure that the flavors are good for people too, especially if they're paying for it.
Perfect. Yeah. And did you specialize on those rubbery green egg yolks?
Yes. Bluestone. They used bluestone in the army days to keep all boys' urges down. But yeah, it was. That's what I was raised on. That's not what I was taught to cook, because generals and heads of state are not going to eat blue eggs, you know.
Excellent. And just can you touch briefly on what you're going to be making for us today?
Okay, so we've just got like a little starter, mains, and dessert. It's going to be a type of buffet style. So what we've done is we've in the video you saw that we were rolling some spring rolls. So we've got some vegetarian spring rolls. We've got some samosas. We'll have some KFC, which is our Korean fried cauliflower.
Nice.
We've got a green papaya salad, very Southeast Asian. And then going on to the mains, we'll have some Hongsha Rao, which is a which is a braised pork belly with a whole lot of aromatics, slow cooked, and then reduced in a almost like a soy syrup, sweet soy sauce, and then we'll have a whole steamed fish, Kenton style. And then dessert we'll yes, it is a caballo, fresh caught, and we'll have a kulfi ice cream as a dessert, which is an Indian dessert.
Yeah. Okay, so Ntombi is going to show us spring rolls and samosas, how to wrap them. Very experienced lady at this, and looking forward to seeing how it's done. How many of you do you think you've made, Ntombi?
I think 10.
In your life?
In my life, quite a few.
More than 3,000.
What is that? Is that a bit of corn flour and water?
No, it's flour, normal flour.
Okay, just to glue it, yeah?
Yes.
And then the mixture is it's a vegetarian spring roll. So there's vermicelli, rice noodle, there's carrot, there's spring onion, there's regular onion, there's coriander. What else is in there, Ntombi?
Soy sauce, dark soya sauce,
Light soy sauce,
and white pepper.
white pepper is an important one.
Yes.
Okay. And what's the dipping sauce? What are you going to have for the dipping sauce?
We're just using a sweet chili.
Sweet chili, okay.
Yes.
Okay, now Tombi's going to do some samosas,
Yes.
called slightly different things overseas. But what's in the ingredients? What are you going to put in there? What have you put in there?
Oh, it's a cheddar cheese and the sweet corn and some spring onion and some chocoroshi spice.
Oh, very nice.
Okay, then I'm gonna fold
Okay,
my pastry.
perfect. Awesome.
Then I'm putting my veg, which is a normal onion, and some carrots and the broccoli.
What oil do you use? Vegetable oil?
It's just a normal oil.
Okay.
Then I'm putting some MSG
Yes.
so that I can make it some flavor. That's a little bit of it. Then we're using basmati rice.
And that's cooked, yeah?
Yes, sorry.
Cooked and then dried
It's overnight.
overnight, okay.
Then I'm using the dark soya sauce.
Dark soya.
Just a little bit of it. And light soya sauce. So that's it.
That's it, perfect.
Old traditional way of making your julienne green papaya. As you can see, there's no color here. This is as white, but it's as crunchy as all hell. So
Look at that. Manual style.
this is manual. You can use a mandolin as well, which when you're doing a lot is probably the best way to go.
Yeah.
But for the purpose of this, we like to go traditional.
Okay, so Patrice, you come here quite a bit, I hear.
I love this place, man. I was in Vietnam, and in fact, it's my second Vietnam.
Awesome.
But of course, due to the distance, I only come like say 12 or 14 times a year, but it's absolutely fantastic. It's one of the best places in the 50 kilometers around. My English is not good, I'm from Belgium, but it is fantastic, yes.
Well travelled and you know your stuff, and
It's fantastic.
you rate this.
Yes, I'm a very happy man here.
Perfecto.